How to use Gemini AI in Google Docs. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Gemini AI in Google Docs. So before we get started, make sure that you have updated the app to the latest version. Also make sure that you already have Gemini AI on your device. So to use the AI on Google search or in your Google Docs, you need an eligible Google Workspace plan or Google AI plan. So once access is granted, the feature can be used directly within the document. This is done through the Help Me Write button or Ask Gemini side panel. I don't have a subscriptions or I don't have an upgraded version of it. So basically what you need is you just want to open up Docs on your device, and then you could find this three dot icon or somewhere right in this page, Help Me Write, and you just need to press that out, or you could find the alternative button or option that is Ask Gemini. And this way you could go ahead and make changes this way you could go ahead and use Gemini in Google Docs. So that's the simplest thing you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.